Let's kick up the cool factor on this Tesla up a notch. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Northern Tesla. So today I have another product review from EVBase. They have tons of cool accessories and they sent me something from part of their Model Y Essentials collection. So I have the Illuminated door sills. And this is an upgrade over your regular door sills because it is illuminated. You'll see it's a quick and easy charge. Just charge them up and you slap them on. It is so easy. They look so nice. So without further ado, let's get right into it. But before I do, please take a second and subscribe. So here's the illuminated sill. You got this little sticky here that covers up the light sensor. You got your USB over here, so you can leave this on. So you have a USB-C. And now this is the ASMR portion of the video. We're going to take this beautiful thing out. So of course this is for Model Y. You can see me in the video. Very clear, very nice. You can see the clouds up there. Look at that. Like, look at this. Like, look at that. That's reflection. It's craziness. Beautiful. So we're going to do the install. This is going to be the easiest install you've ever seen. Done. All right, as you can see, it looks amazing. The colors are beautiful. They flow really nicely. It really adds a custom look to your Tesla. Definitely an upgrade over your original door sills. The only thing I don't like is that you can't customize the color. So it kind of just flows from one color to the next. So that's kind of annoying. I would wish you could just colorize or pick your color, which would be really nice. The only thing I should mention is that in terms of charging, it does come with a USB-C to USB-C cable, but I have a USB-C brick from Apple, but apparently it's too powerful, so you want something a little slower. So what I did is I found a USB-A to USB-C cable, and that did the trick. You'll see a little charging status light either here or here. I don't exactly remember where it is, but you'll see a little LED light to indicate that it's charging. So yeah, that's really good. You just charge it up and slap it on. That easy. Looks amazing. So if you want to get yourself one of these, head over to evbase.com. Use promo code Northern Tesla for 15% off the entire site. So again, that's promo code Northern Tesla for 15% off. All right, if you like this video, please take a second and like and also subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I put out about every week or so. And don't forget our merch store, which is just down below. T-shirts here and here. And get one today. You'll awesome. They're gonna love them. So anyways, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week.